Hello, it's Miss Kolbach. I'm back again, and I have my lowercase letters to practice. Have you learned all your letters, the names, and the sounds yet? Maybe there's a few you're having a little trouble with. Let's have fun and practice them together. Are you ready? I'll show you the card and see if you can say it before I do. And then we'll say the sound. Here we go. K. K says k, 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 as in kangaroo. Oh, like the little baby kangaroo in her little pouch there. Kangaroos are cool, aren't they? K, k. K says k, k, k. F. F says for the number 5. It's a very soft letter too, isn't it? F says N. This is the letter N. It has only one hump, one little bump, down and up. N says N for needle. Sewing needle. You can sew your teddy bear back together if it breaks. B. Did you get it? B. B. Because the stick comes first, we say B. If B is walking down the page, you're going to see the belly first. B. Stick and then the circle. B. 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 Like the bat hits the ball. B says B. B. G. G says G. For girl. Girl. B says B for boy. G says G for girl. U. This is a lowercase u. U says as in drum. Did you get it? P says P as in pie. Do you like pie? P, P. P says P. The stick and the circle's at the top for letter P. I says I, as in chick. You hear the I sound and chick, chick. That's the I sound. D. D says D, like a doctor. D, D, D. W. W says W, W, W. It looks just like the capital, just smaller. W, W, as in watch. W, W, W. W for W. Ooh, X. It kind of makes the sound when you say the letter. Say X. Like an axe and a fox at the end. X. Z. Z says Z for zero. Z. J. With a little kiss on top. J says J, J, as in jug. A jug of milk, maybe. Y. Y says Y. Ooh, it's some yellow yarn. Y, Y, yellow yarn. Y, Y, Y for the letter Y. V. V says V, as in violin. V. S. S says S, like a sack. S. Can you make that sound? That's fun to make. You can hold that one for a long time. This is a Q. They put a U here because Q and U, Q makes the sound like you have the U beside it. Qua, qua, qua. Q and U stick together like glue. So When you have Q, you have U to go with it. So we say qua, qua. A vowel. E. E says eh, for elephant. Did you say elephant? There's lots of ones. How about Eskimo? E says eh. H. H says house. H for house or hot. K says k for king. A says as in flag. Oh, that's our American flag, isn't it? Flag, for the United States of America. Letter A. L says for light. O says as in frog. You hear that sound? That's the letter O, frog. T says t as in tent. M, 2 humps. M, lips together. It looks like 2 lips, doesn't it? M says as in mittens, to keep your hands warm in the winter. R says as a rattle. And C says k as in comb. All right, I hope you got all your letters right. If not, keep working and keep learning because I know you can do it. I'm so proud of you, and thanks for coming in. I'll see you next time. Bye.